top 5 tips and tricks to save more money. What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's your boy DeVaughn, back again with another video. And today we're talking about, my top 5 ways to save more money and build that stash. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more great videos like this. We do this every Monday and Thursday like clockwork, my friends. Okay, we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better business and you. All right, so today we're talking about my top 5 ways to save more money. That more like gas than the netto. So let's get into it. Number 1, that zero out method. All right. I'm excited for this video, man. I like giving these tips out, man. I think this is like my first video with this one. All right, so let's get it started. The zero out method. The zero out method. Saving money takes practice. And the zero out method is something I know you can do, okay? I learned it from my friends Brightside. It's a YouTube channel I follow, okay? So go check them out when you get a chance, all right? There's definitely some great info there, all right? So the method is basically, what you do is every week, every evening, when you get home or when you wake up in the morning, you take a look at your account. And let's say you have $305 in your checking, or maybe you have $252 in your checking, okay? You move $5 into your savings account. So say if it's 305, right? Let's stay with 305, $305. So then you take $5 and put it into your savings. So now you have $300. There you go. The zero out method, all right? You do this enough and you'll start to stack fast. You can do this with 1 digit or 2 digits. Like I said before, say if you have $252 in your checking account. You can take $52 out and put it in your savings. So that will leave you with $200. Or you can, so like if you're strapped for cash but you still want to save, you can do you can take $2 out and it's $250. So now you have a zero in there. Okay, it's just basically creating a zero, pulling some money out and creating a zero in your account. That's the zero out method, all right? Number 2, move any unsaved money to your savings account, okay? This is a weekly move, okay? So the day before you get paid, move any unsaved money to your savings account. So say you get paid on a Thursday, but on Wednesday night, you have $50 left in your account. Move that money into your savings account before you get paid on Thursday. And if you can't do the whole thing, then do about half, okay? I would suggest the whole thing, but do about half if you are strapped for cash or something like that, or you know you're gonna need that money, all right? But the day before you get paid, you either split it in half and put that into your savings account, or you just move the whole thing into your savings account. So that'll help you save money faster there. Number 3, automate your savings. This is definitely the best way to do it because you won't have to count on you, okay? Because this to most might be a no-brainer, and but a lot of people don't do it, okay? So you can automatically save a certain percentage of your paycheck every time you get paid. This takes you out the equation. You won't have to remember to save the money. The system will do it for you. Simple. All right, where we at? Number 4, use Cashback Apps. All right, Cashback apps are like the best thing on this earth to me, okay? It's like a friend in your back pocket helping you out, right? They pay you when you shop. There is absolutely nothing better than going to the store or your favorite website and getting cash back for something you plan to purchase anyway. All right, I have a few video reviews on the different apps that I use, okay? So if you want to check those videos out, you can check them out in the description below. All right, the next one, the 5th one, top 5, stop paying the government so much money every time you get paid in your check. All right, listen, 80% of Americans are paying the IRS too much money. All right, this is why the majority of people get a big old fat refund check at the end of the year. All right, and a lot of times people don't spend it right, don't use it right, don't invest right, so it doesn't really help. Okay, wouldn't you like to make that money now in your weekly check instead of paying the IRS? If so, this is what I want you to do. Click the video below, okay, the first video below, all right, and learn how you can shift your income and start becoming financially free today. We have a great team of people helping people like you create income that's gonna last a lifetime if you do things correctly. All right, so thanks for watching my video on the top five tricks to saving more money. All right, do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.